If you're looking to buy or sell in Sacramento, we've got some fresh, hot off the press info about the Sacramento housing market for you. We'll be looking at what happened in the Sacramento housing market in May and what we might expect going into June. In May, Sacramento saw nearly 3,000 homes sold. Now that's definitely a lot of homes, but this time last year, we had nearly 3,900 homes sold. So actually, our sales are down by almost 23%. Now, onto the homes up for sale. The number of homes on the market is up just a little bit, about 10% more than 30 days ago. We're down by 41% to just about 3,500 homes on the market. Now that's fewer options for those of you looking to buy, but don't worry. This just means you've got to be a bit more eagle-eyed for new listings. Now what about price? Well, the average sales price this May was $607,000. Compare this to last year's $646,000, we're looking at about a 6% drop. If you're saving up for a house, this could be your moment to swoop in and snatch up a great deal. We also always like to look at something called the sold price versus the original price. This May, it was 99% of the original price to the sold price. This means houses in Sacramento are selling just a tad under their initial asking price. That's up 2.1% from last month though. So sellers, things are looking up for you if you act now. So all in all, May saw a bit of a slowdown in the Sacramento housing market. For buyers, it could mean more negotiation power and better deals.